In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your resume visible on LinkedIn. This is a very useful skill to have, as showcasing your resume can help potential employers and recruiters find you more easily. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to log into your LinkedIn account. Make sure you use your credentials, and as always, keep those details secure. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. Now look towards the top of the page, and you should see an icon labeled Me. That's the one you want to click on. This is the section where all your personal profile settings and options reside. After selecting the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, go ahead and click on View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page, which is your professional hub on LinkedIn. Once you're on your profile page, it's time to start editing it. Look for the pen icon. This is your editing tool. Click on it, and this will open up all the editable sections of your profile. While you're exploring these options, check to see if there's a choice to add media. If this option is visible, you can directly upload your resume from this section. It's pretty straightforward. Simply locate your resume file on your device and upload it. However, if you don't see the option to add media right away, don't worry. Just close the edit window and let's try something else. This time, find and click on Add Profile section. You'll need to scroll down just a little bit, and soon you'll see a section labeled Recommended. Tap on this, and from there you'll want to select Add Featured. This action will open another new page. You'll notice a plus icon on this page, and that's what you need to click next. You'll then have the choice to either add a link or add media. Since we are focusing on your resume, simply choose the option for media. Now browse through the files on your device to find your resume. Once you've located it, make sure it's a PDF for the best compatibility, select it, and tap on Open. After you've done that, there's just one more step left to ensure your resume appears on your profile. Go ahead and click on Share. This will make your resume visible to your profile visitors, enhancing your LinkedIn presence. And there you have it. You've successfully made your resume visible on LinkedIn. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your job search process. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more insightful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy networking.